Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for coding in VS Code. Now, as you can see, I have my VS Code open. If you don't have the VS Code installed in your computer, you can simply go to code.visualstudio.com and click on download for Windows, and you will be able to download VS Code. Now, since I have VS Code installed in my computer, I'll go to the extensions section. You can either click here or click Ctrl plus Shift plus X. And after you go to the extensions section, you can click on the search menu over here, and then you have to search for Klein. So after you search for Klein, hit enter and then wait for all the options to come. As you can see, I have lots of options over here, and what I need to install is the first one, which has blue tick from Klein. So I'm going to click install right over here, and then Klein will be installed in my VS Code. So I can open Klein by clicking here, and then after Klein is open, you can either select add API key from here, and if your add API key is not available here, you can click on settings, and then you will be able to have these options where you can select API provider. So I'm selecting Anthropic. Now after that, I need to get my Anthropic API key. Now to get my Anthropic API key, I will go to console.anthropic.com. So here I am at consoleanthropic.com, and now I'm going to click on expand right over here. From here I am going to go to settings. In settings you will go to API keys, and in API keys you can simply click create key over here. Now you have your workspace on top, and then you can name your key. I'm going to name my key test. I'm going to click on add, and then make sure to copy your key somewhere safe, because this is not viewable again. So I'm going to copy key and paste it somewhere safe. And then we are going to go back to Klein AI, and in this box where Anthropic API key is needed, I'm going to paste down my API key. Alright, so my API key is pasted, and then you can change these options if you want, but it's not recommended that you change these options because I haven't done much research with these options. So let's leave all these options same, and then you can click on done. So as you can see, I have my Klein extension ready with Claude AI, and here I have Anthropic Claude Sonnet as my API provider. Now you can simply type down your task right over here, any kind of task you want, and your Klein extension will work as the Claude AI. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.